Hi, many marketers struggle to measure their effectiveness of campaign, and as a result, it's become difficult to know if they are working as intended. As a digital marketer, we run the ads, we do SEO activity, and we write the content, but we never measure the proper impact of our efforts. Did you know 70% of marketers or ad managers have not installed the conversion code or pixel code properly or their website or in their app? Simply running ads on platforms like Google and Facebook does not give us end result. Many digital marketers never created a custom report in any ad platform, analytics platform, or a BI platform as per their business need. They think that it's become difficult and never try to do it. That is why measurement is a heart of marketing and data driven approach is a core of a marketing. Here we bring Measurement Marketing Masterclass to experienced digital marketer, business owner, and entrepreneur. In this masterclass, we will teach you the platform like Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics 4, and server side tagging to build a perfect measurement marketing plan for your business or your website. Also, it's not limited to only platform, but we also deep dive into world of programming and how programming with marketing can take your game ahead in your career. Enroll in this masterclass and spend 6 to 8 weeks with us. This is immersive, theoretical, and practical session with us. Take your marketing game ahead. Enroll now, click below, and don't miss this opportunity.